Today is day 2 of ELA skills practice. You've got your 3 parts again. You've got your word sort, which by now is cut up. You've got your fluency passage, and you've got your sit-in skills book, where you're going to work on page 51 today. If you want to pause the video and get this, we're going to do it together today. All right, so step 1, your sort. You're going to take it out. See if you could sort it a little more quickly today. You're going to lay it on the table or the floor in its categories, and then you're going to write it in your notebook. I chose to work with the devil sort this week because a lot of you are doing that one. It's got the short E and then a long E that is spelled with an EA, a long E spelled with an EE, and a short E sound that's actually spelled with an EA, which is kind of unusual, kind of a rule breaker. And it's in words like head, dead, bread, and it sounds like in devil. So I drew a little devil on there, and I drew a little pitchfork over there and a flame for this column because I thought it would be kind of fun. Okay, so that's what you do for your sort. You sort it on the floor or on the table, and you write it in your book. That is all you do for day 2. For your fluency passage, you see if you can read it a little bit more fluently today, and you see if any words are tripping you up. If you're having trouble with a word, you ask for help with that word and then read the sentence again so that you can start to know that word without sounding it out every time. So you do your sort. Read your fluency passage one time today. Not much work to do with your fluency passage besides just whisper reading it. And then we're going to do this. We're going to proof it. We're starting to do proofreading, and I'm going to show you something called editing marks in a next video for your writing today. So we're going to look here. It says circle 8 words that are not right. 8 words. Then write the words right. That's a homophone. They sound the same, but they're spelled differently and mean different things. This right means to write it with a pencil. This right means do it correctly. Alrighty. I've got a red pencil. Mother was making dinner. She put a pot of water on the stove. She said to me, "Will you watch the pot for me?" Soon that pot got hot. I did not watch it very well. Oh no. Okay, let's look at the first sentence and see if we can find a mistake. I will tell you, yes, there's a mistake. Mother was making dinner. Well, this ing knocked off a silent E that made the A say its own name. So that is spelled correctly. Dinner has double N's. This is how you spell mother, even though the O sounds like an This is the mistake. Was is a word that doesn't play fair. We have practiced that word. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is one of our rainbow words. So was doesn't play fair. W-A-S. All right. She put a pot of water on the stove. 2 mistakes. See if you can find them. I'm going to give you time to work on it. And then we keep working with that word. It sounds like UV, sounds like of, but it's spelled like this, O-F, of. And on, not un, on the stove. So it was supposed to be spelled with an O-N. She said to me, let's just work with that part of the sentence. She said to me. There is a word there that is a homophone. There are 3 different ways to spell this word. This sentence uses it incorrectly. Did not choose the correct way to spell it. That means the number 2. She said to me. So not this 2. If someone said to me, it's this one. This is the number. Okay. She said to me. Will you watch the pot for me? 2 mistakes there. Will you watch the pot for me? Okay, I'm going to give you a clue. The first mistake is you. The second mistake is 4. That's the number 4. So while I'm writing them correctly on the line, I want you to try it on your own. How do you spell you the correct way? And which 4 is the right 4 for this sentence? Okay, Y-O-U spells you. This is the number, so this is how they should have spelled it. Will you watch the pot for me? Soon that pot got hot. Soon that pot got hot. One mistake. See if you can find it. And then I'll show it to you. That does not have a silent E. That is a word that plays fair. Th, at, no E. That. I did not watch it very well. It just has one T. That's not a word that has twin letters. So go ahead and spell it correctly on the line. Okay. So I'll hold that up for you. You can take a look. You can pause it if you need to look longer.